welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, and as you can see from what we're doing today, literally we do a little bit of everything. So today we have the May 2020 Sassy Box. So Sassy Box, if you don't know, is a monthly sex toy subscription delivered discreetly to your door. I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. It is $39.99 a month. Now it's for empowering sexual health and wellness. You receive 3 to 5 full-size items that are going to be valued over $100. It's going to be filled with an assortment of sex toys, stimulation creams, lubes, bath and body products, along with other sexually arousing items. So I am going to, like I said, put a link down below. If I have an active promo code, I will put that down below as well. But let's get in here and see what we got. So when you open it, it says Sassy Box. There is a card that will go over all of the items in your box. And let's get in here and see what we got. All right, so we have a couple condoms and some lifesavers. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Right here we have an edible massage oil in French vanilla. A completely delicious, lickable, suckable oil for incredible hands and lips on sexy and sensual massage. Earthly Body has specifically blended this silky, pleasurable staple to moisturize, soften, and nourish the skin as it adds a slick glide. Sounds fun. Then we have, this is cute, Love Button. A unique, naturally based arousal balm that increases sensitivity and enhances desire for both playmates. Love Button is a perfect accompaniment, if I can talk, to sex and foreplay. All right, and then we have Fetish Fantasy Mini Silk Rope. The mini boasts the same silky, skin-friendly softness in a thinner, shorter size. It's extremely easy to handle. Ideal for couples making the foray into bondage play for the first time. The mini offers 6 feet of silken strength, perfect for fastening cuffs, leashes, and collars, and great for simple binding of wrists and ankles. Ooh. All right, then we have from Doc Johnson, a relax anal relaxer for everyone. Warms and relaxes muscles for easy entry, water-based and natural. No benzocaine or parabens. It's made in America. You get 2 ounces. No lidocaine, no benzocaine, no sugar, no parabens. So there is that guy right there. Naturally warming, loosening, and softening, Doc Johnson's Relax is a gentle, wonderfully drug-free alternative to the typical desensitizing anal product. Backdoor experimenters can prep the area together if desired. A small amount needs simply to be applied to a finger and rubbed over the anal region. So there's that. And then we have one more item in here. And this is Glam's Mini Rainbow Gem Silicone Butt Plug. A silky anal pleasure tool smoothed into a classic taper, a sleek neck designed for comfortable long-term wear, and a pretty rainbow-hued jewel embedded through the base, designed to be extra pleasurable and easy to enjoy through a range of anal exploitations. So let's see. Obviously, yes, to wash after any use, pat dry, use lubricant. Fun, cute, and colorful. So let's take a look at it. like bam. It's like bejeweled. So there is that. So that was the May 2020 Sassy Box. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. Again, they're $39.99 a month. Let me know what you thought of the box. What do you think is going to be the most fun? I'm kind of liking the love button. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought down below. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.